Let me say this first. If you feel scared to start gardening, nothing is wrong with you. Most people don't fail at gardening, they just never start. And today I want to help you take that pressure off. People think gardening means commitment, perfection, and a big yard. But food gardening is actually about tiny wins. One container, one plant, one meal. You don't need a green thumb. You need permission to start small. If you're brand new, here's your safest first step. Start with something that grows fast and forgives mistakes. Think herbs, greens, or sprout. You can grow food in a bowl, a cup, or a small pot near a window. And here's the part that people forget: you don't have to wait months to eat. That handful of greens, added to eggs, a sandwich, a simple salad, gardening becomes fun when you actually use what you grow. You don't need to know everything today. You just need one tiny win. Tomorrow, I'll show you the easiest plant to start with. If you're scared of killing plants, subscribe, grow with me, one plant at a time.